attracted you to the project, and what's your connection to the area?
Well, interesting enough, my partner, the executive producer, is from El Paso. He grew up here. He went to UTEP. I mean, he is, ingrained into this place. And when I first met him, I came here. We planned to film the entire movie here, and essentially, we shot it here and in Las Cruces. But everything that you see in the movie that's an exterior of the film, like this poster, is Texas, and it had to. Texas is a character in the movie. It's not just the actors. It's not the music. Everything becomes a character, and so we figured this would be the best place to have it.
Tell us about your general connection to the city.
So I grew up in El Paso. Went to El Paso High School, and I came back and went to graduate school at UT El Paso, and I went to see every great movie in the '70s here at the Plaza Theatre.
What's input and what are your most proud contributions to this movie?
So the original story was set in El Paso, but the guy had never been to El Paso. So the first thing I did is I brought Ronnie, the star, and I brought the writer-director to El Paso. And my friends in El Paso, I had friends that were in journalism that told them, this is not a Sicario movie, but I was like, here's what Sicarios really look like, here's what it is today, here's what it was back then.